wonderful little variation that I think everyone should learn how to play. It's quite a jumpy character the whole time. So, jeté, and you are predominantly in the middle of the bow the whole time. There's a couple of shifts up and down, not terribly bad, but you have to watch for the intonation. Be careful with that. Mostly, really not a whole lot of trouble if you're already familiar with this kind of a ricochet, jeté bow stroke. Just remember, you have to kind of keep the bow straight. You don't want it to be on its side because that is harder to control. It's harder to get this kind of a spring reaction from the bow when you turn it this way. So try to be as straight on this as possible, and that should help some things. Right, so as you're also going through this, remember to keep the bow from bouncing too high. You don't want it to get too vertical. Really, you should think more horizontal as you're practicing this and as you're playing this. It's easier to control. It's easier to process, because when things get too fast, it's harder for the audience to process those 16th notes. So you want them to be tasteful, if you know what I mean. You don't want them to get too quick and too chaotic. That's not good. So really, pretty much that's it. So I recommend students just practicing this this bow stroke separately. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You also don't want to get too big with the bow, so try to focus predominantly in the middle part, middle section, and that should be manageable and enjoyable for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website, where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach online. Thanks for watching.